Bw'omuguzi. Chinsa ni komishono margobo moncho muligere ngakene ko kwariganira SMS yamangana mayya senchera yo wenge nyaro kumanyigati yali togendete ko kwariganira SMS yamangana mayira chikomanyekero ya grense mo yabona margoba asiri bonyare ko sansamuranire wana kumanyibuna baliki baito bagendete ko yasangire ko ruchingongo chonsi ime na isiko yorgongo ragusina manga gendete kolekana nyira wana ni kababunge bagendete kumulekera asobime anemone budget yo mwaka wa 2024 nego ko mwaka wa 2025 2024-2025 financial year ebera chikonyara kokonya so konyara kwekirania magendere nyira umutinye gatano limo nenga kiyogo somo gwe budget yubera chikobwa to kwa stariki 30 umutinye gatano limo abunga bagenda tukoligerera ichi wizara nakyo chikobekura chibese nyira buna nige kagere buna enseme chisemine ra chikobekura chibese chinyinge kubwate kana buna nogo chikobali kabali bali ba junior secondary JSS bune nchire ya mujo konyara kwekirania omurobero ya OCBC wasaba ali mu chiribwe 45 yomo bakagere gocha kulikwa inse yo mwako yo ngakonyara kwekirania amangana arengete CBC ayungate cyo kumulekero mwancho muri nyali tukeri gari halero lele tukuri kunyara gucengera ebintu bitoetanaine ngati ya manganta cyo kumulekera so mekero kiryo kubagekana kwa rokanire ane mona sensembeli ya Mount Kenya kubwata kana buna gati ya bwata ni bali bali krase kyamma kirya UDA barokane ko muchomo konyu muri wenseri gadiga shagwa asoko motebuna ni gagendrete kutwara siasa chioko bisa kuna bego cheo bukenyumba sensemeyo ayungati yali cyo kumulekera bogekora gense muno cyo yanyora asenchira yobekera kwenda sayomo ayanda mange gendera gotobota kwetena nsembeli mtanda nsembeli ya Facebook na bogo chana buna Ndizi TV News Digital na bogo nsembeli ya YouTube na bogo chana buna Ndizi TV News to kweba gotobota wetera se website yetu na utambe www.ndizitv.net onyale konyora yomo yanda mange asenchire bone to litokubwatira nero gotera sumu no bwimenyerio igakorwa Lydia Mosekero clip karokeria Sara Mumanyi akoyaleta gotera asensemi chibichana boigo na Mario gitana kemenyerere kurwa sensemende studio to ira nenkomanya senchire yo bwingi 10 ileterana nchini Koroko Vincent Onyancha. Na gati ya gwatani kurwase kaunti ya Nyamira niko bagendere no murebere bako ne kimunango sibari chichiro na gochimesi ya ase kaunti yo niko chingageche ya gwatani ya bange batebire bunenchere mu yoko nyana kwikirania mangana lenge tobo chenu eyamaga yogo tare chichiro asense me niko chingageche batebire bagendere ko tare chichiro chinyinge imeye kaunti ya Nyamira asa konyara ko ne kibunango rusibale hubi abayo gochisibya bunenchere mu yoko nyara korro byo boncheria gati ya boncheria ase kaunti ya Nyamira.
Yani bangi nambariko bako nchinyanya bale no buoba. Yani chindo soko yachato nyarire.
Obo chabu obo. Eno ebo ide no anyachika songasi bako anyachigariga bogo tioka. Nanda bakuruta na banyejiga
inambanili stage na igule bya sana na serikali yatakonye yaturusiribu chabu ba. Kwenye batoko bekaba ni stage batyo stage yatyoka batamoje stage mata
kaindri abantu balia abamenyi ba minto na abanyane town bali bawo babiko buchafu gaiga mwanje aso esauti ya moto igwane buchafu mbobe kugiga kero yomo abiko buchafu bwa yase egunia.
Leo hii tumekita mizizi hapa, kesho tutakuwa Ikonge kuona kwamba soko la Ikonge nalo lisafi. Kwa hivyo wiki ijayo mzima baada ya kumalizana na Keroka na Metamayo na Ikonge tutarudi Kemera na Kebirigo, tutaenda Mawawa na tutarudi Ekerenyo na kumaliza hapo. Michi yetu ni lazima iwe safi. Imetungia yenebe kwene kirase etown aliase kobe kugerene sonto beke chipis ange ibere oseisato asekere town chibwate metungia ndene metungia neri kira marieta eubiye birore ebeo eubiye korunyomba eubiye riego chikogunda ya matunda chinyanya ebeo amasakara yao eubie kochana mangana echi computer tokoroka eWest ebekwe ebiba yabo egere yasangere gutwa twa ebeka sao tokoroka toko segregate igo tigatubwatera nase bono metungi yetaracha kyari ne budget ya mwaka 24 na 25 budget yetaraso bono tokoro busabi tobeke chigunie gari itegere weta chumaine gosara misi yabe ko buchabu borigoro
esirikali nero etokonye oitora buate okora yani kurute takataka atashukuliwa hatua.
Na gati amenye kurwase kaunti ya Kisii bono nigo banyare koria babunge koneke munango tugutera barare amangana rengeteri chiko lie ebango gosobono finance bill kolengana amenye kurwase kaunti ya Kisii na bana boda boda nigo batebire buno ko bakuri chikerio nigo korere konyara ko bare maria ne mona abantu bali bari bokonyara gwanse nigo chenga kechu barokane ko mu serikali ya Kenya Kwanza asokonyara gote buna na batekerenyo ko gani kwabo gokonyara gokinumuro byo bottom up economic approach asogote abune bango nigegendrete ko bachanda ba Kenya na ko gani banyara gotuguterare dichikerio.
Imagine nyumbani watoto wangu hawakuli, mama yangu hakuli, bibi yangu hana nguo ya kufaa, pikipiki ninayo ni ya loan. Naomba wapunge tafadhali kwa yali yenu, kwa kupenda kwenu na waomba tafadhali hii mswada piga teke.
Mimi nimesumbuka, watoto wanalala njaa. Tafadhali Ruto tusaidie. Ruto umetutesa, tunalia, watoto wanalala njaa, tunalala mpaka wasee njaa, mpaka wasee wametoroka. Ruto
Jari mwananchi wa kawaida mwenye ana mbele wala nyuma mchali na wabunge wetu tafadhali tunawaomba mkienda bungeni muangushe hii kitu mara moja kama mawe ya mfua tena mkitaka murudi 2027 tunawaomba hii mswada tafadhali isipite kama saa hii watoto hawakuli kwenda asubuhi hawakuli chai na mkate sababu itaenda kuongeza
bwana bodaboda ndisi tunaangamiza sana mama mboga wanasumbuka sana sasa wanasema sangine kupandisha mkate nini sasa tunaomba tu serikali tusaidie
ukitembea hakuna kitu unanunua hata kwa duka vijana wetu hakuna mwenye anaweza kubarikiwa kutoka kwa hiyo serikali yenye iko sahihi mimi nasema hiyo wazi na sijasema kwa ubaya warekebishe wasaidie watu
hii mswada inaenda kupitishwa nasema kwa wajumbe msikubali tafadhali msikubali mpitishe hii tutaumia kama sisi ni asra watu wa bodaboda tulipigia Ruto kura lakini saa hii mahali imefika imekuwa ngumu
huyu bwana hapa walisema bei ya betri itaongeza juu huko kijijini huko mama mboga ambaye walitumia kwa campaign ndo anatumia betri huko at least kuona mwangaza hata watoto waweze kusoma so naonelea wabunge tafadhali kitu muipitilie mbali kabisa
na gotigana yubono mwancho mulige chenga kitoka ndata ko chengere bintu bitotana ni gomo DCC kurwa sensemeria ya Masaba North aserieta Stella Wanyela anyare kubulia abantu kanenko wale maiso anemono ase bintu biri bakolia kolengana ne gate biruna obutumike omabera mu ne bintu binde ni gobana to kuligerwa some munenchire mu yokonyara wetanga kurwa samarwera ao aniga uja chenga kichiri abantu baganda to chengera ebintu bitotana ne okona kurwa sensemeria ya Masaba North ne gaburi amenye kurwa nyukana kubwatirana unenchiremo yokonyara gosira manganarengetse obocheno
maziwa ambayo tunanunua kutoka umuhumu kwamba ikuwe ni maziwa ambayo ni safe na how does that milk become safe it becomes safe by avoiding a lot of hawking transporting milk in plastic containers na pia to avoid kukula nyama ambayo haijakaguliwa na public health officer alikuwa hapa akaongea juu ya liquid waste management akasahau kuambia pia what we take in can destroy our bodies it has to be safe for our consumption so mambo ya usafirishaji na hawking ya maziwa haikubaliki under the existing livestock sector rules and regulations. We are on RRI. This is the 10th day since the RRI was launched. So juzi on Monday tumelaunch ya Nyamira County. The following day tukalaunch ya Masaba North Sub-County. It is going to be a multi-agency approach in terms of regulation enforcement of the livestock rules, mambo ya kutembea na mifugo hapa na pale, Ukipatikana bila permit, ujue utakuwa mgeni wa OCS. Ukipatikana unatembeza maziwa, unauza maziwa rejareja kwa plastic containers, pia kuuza maziwa rejareja haistahili. You need to be registered to a cooperative society and supply your milk to that cooperative society so that the society can now, which has a permit, will supply the milk to the milk production companies. Kwa hivyo mkituona tunaweka roadblocks, watu wa butcheries jitahadhari, watu wa slaughterhouses, you need to have permits, and we are going to fully implement that. And I want to ask Madam Honorable Chief Magistrate that to take note that that is the RRI that is on, and we will ask for your indulgence and your support for the RRI so that this country has to be healthy and people have to consume what products that are good for their health. So kwa hivyo tunaendelea namna hivyo. Kesho tuko na mkutano na chiefs katika mabaraza, watawaambia wananchi.
Na komiti ejisemi hase bungani gwana yaberge kubane kriya bayiboli buna ni gobono chibese chokona university chirachikwira nanse yengo bwatekana no kuligirenga ni byasobe mekolengana ne komiti nigo yatebere buna okomenta we chibese nigo kwerere konyara ko boli toba nigo kyasomo ibole na kwa chibese konyara kwira ni wanseri muriyo kayemaga yogo twarege ikarobene ne bunge ane mono ase komiti ejisemi na bego ne wizara yochisemi.
Sisi kama bunge tulisikizana jana na tuliambia waziri apatie mzazi fee structure ya household peke yake. Ile pesa mzazi atalipa. Ile ingine serikali apeleke university, waweke account ya university. Au namna gani? Sio vizuri university waweze kuandikia wewe fees ya 1,600 na mtoto atapata loan ya 1,200, atapata scholarship ya 1,200 au 300, na wewe unastahili kulipa 30,000. So unapatiwa
na humrewe kama kodi he murena moro dinga ni gobana rokane ko boka ngane ringete kure ya masesiringe moza one vote 1 shillinga okoni tukodero ni gobana Raila bereka gote yabuna nchirema wikirania obagi bweni bo nebango asenchire bwene tena gote yabuna goitira asenchire yuni garach konyara go konya chinse muchonsi konyara chibesa asenchire ngaine wanchire ya kondewensi gotayo.
But this new constitution was finally a compromise. It was still a work in progress. There are several areas which still need to be looked at, particularly the devolution chapter. But in the devolution, we talked about equity in sharing of resources in our country, not equality. Equity in sharing of resources in our country. That means you actually take count of the numbers of the people where they are, because the services are primarily first and foremost to the people. So one of the points that was discussed extensively during these deliberations in Limuru, according to information that we now have, is this issue of resource sharing of our country. Somehow this thing has been misrepresented as if it is discriminating against other parts of our country. Nothing could be further from the truth. It is not a question of discrimination. We want to ensure that each and every Kenyan gets a fair share of resources created by our sweat. This is what it is. It cannot be right that some children should get more money as bursary than other children in other parts of the country. And I think this is a conversation which, if we have it openly, in a open dialogue, we'll be able to convince majority of our people that this is the right way to go. And that's why in the BBI, we had proposed it. We proposed it. Some people don't want to hear it. But we want to ensure that each and every Kenyan is fairly treated, equally treated. And that's why we're saying, we agree with this phrase that is one man, one.
Na boigo nigira tegero gwako gokia saba nyanyimbo yemaega yomurikyo botambe aze wizara yoburendi konyara gotebona wekiraboni gambare kiranyo koigwana wa nyanyimbo konyara komento kibesa gose umusharobo inyirabono nigengene yabetike gokwanerwa ne committee inseyo kabere omona chebi no mone David Maraga asenga kya yebo yobugambe ngano ikiraboni getraba ke kiraniwa kolengana no murikyo botamba se wizani ga atebirubuna ekyombe kirikyo ko bwatoke mshahara SRC bagendete ko murekirengane yasobe masabona banyanyimbo bara kuganyasega kimiti nyemenge pamanye comment wa Chibesa.
I think they're in the 4th cycle of the salary review, and they've already made the recommendations. So I would not say exactly when, but we expect that to happen within this year. Within the National Police Service, there's already within the budget a budget line of about 6.5 billion that has been committed in the current financial year, and of course in the next financial year, as part of helping to address that. And then our development partners have already committed quite a good chunk of resources in helping us roll out these reforms.
Monchumule onombia mona soko nyara gochoro gotengera ndizi TV MS mangana maye chinse komichia bona margoba wekera bono ngonya kuru musumale mangana maye senchira yo bwenge korendo nyerebu ne kombe kerike infotrack niko kya robot kibwabo igoro yense ya Kenya niko kya gote yabuna abantu ekerengo ikomina kianda semia na ubono bagote bense ya Kenya nigero cha saro ngekolende abantu ekerengo sekerengo kiemeronge 5 no mone 363 iko bagote yabunense ya Kenya nigero chi asabe nyirabone county ya Nairobi nigetanga ina sekerengo meronge 5 nevere na inya 74% asogote yabunense ya Kenya ni gerochi asabe anemono asobora ibwabono kubwati kunense media Eastern 69% abigo norongora Nyanza ikobono 68% asogote yabunense ya Kenya ni gerochi asabo roboti runo chikonya rase nchire bwikirano ekerera ragense yemo yabono margo ikirabuno nko yakiro musumali monchumuri mbyamo na soko charo gotengera Ndizi TV kendra gotubwati azense media mtandao ya Facebook Ndizi TV News Digital na bagense media YouTube na bago charo na Ndizi TV News basoko bagotubwati weterase website yetu mnabutambe www.ndizitv.net yekora gense mu mwancho muligereria nonyara senchira yobekene isato chia butukeretera n'inchenkuru Vincent Onyancha.